Hi everyone, this is a reminder that your week 2 Writing About Writing assessment is due this Saturday before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This assignment will require you to upload a Word document in Blackboard, and this can be a little bit tricky, so I just want to walk you through the process. As always, once you log into your MyBSC, you will enter our English 079 course, and then you will select the Weeks tab here on the left-hand side of your screen, and then you will move into Week 2. Click here to begin. You already completed the lecture and the discussion. You've written your Writing About Writing assessment, and now it's time to upload the document here. Week 2 Writing About Writing assessment, click here to submit. This will take you to a new page where it will ask you to browse your local files and upload your Word document. Click this Browse Local Files, and it will take you into all of your documents stored on your computer. One tip I have is to create a specific English 079 folder so you can remember exactly where you saved your Word document. So you'll enter your folder where you saved it. Here's the format that I would save my essay as. I would just put my last name underscore week 2 about writing about writing. And again, I only do this just so I remember exactly where I saved that Word document. It just makes it easier to grab it later when you're ready to submit. You can double click this or click the open button, and it will attach to Blackboard. Now you'll know that the Word document is attached because you'll see it down here under file name. There's the title of my paper, and then there is the link. Now, if you happen to accidentally upload the wrong assignment, sometimes that does happen, all you need to do is click this Do Not Attach button. It will remove it. And then you can go right back into browse local files into the appropriate folder and grab that correct assignment. Once you notice that your correct assignment is indeed attached, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and hit the submit button. That sends it to me for grading through Blackboard. If you do have any questions or concerns about this process, please don't hesitate to shoot me an email or use that Ask Your Instructor tab, and I would be happy to take the time to walk you through it. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you have a great weekend.